Welcome back. In this video, we'll show you how to customize your Salesforce app using the Lightning App Builder. Navigate to Lightning App Builder from Quick Find box. Click New, choose App Page, click Next, enter a label of your choice. Click Next, choose the template that fits your needs. Click Done. On the left panel, you will see a list of standard and custom components. Drag the components you want to the desired areas on the page layout. Component properties are on the right panel. Adjust settings like filters, labels, or visibility as needed. Click on Save. You will be prompted to activation. From here, you can change page settings like entering a name, selecting page activation, and changing the icon. Go to Lightning Experience, select your app, click on Add Page to App. You can select the position of the page to be placed on your app by simply dragging and dropping it, and click on Save. Click on the back arrow on the left corner. Now App Launcher, and voila, your page is ready for use.